Ready to become a Kvcore newsletter ninja and keep your EXP Realty clients hooked on your market expertise? Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Kvcore account and head over to the Marketing tab on the left-hand side of your screen. This is your command center for all things email. Next, under the Marketing Autopilot dropdown, you'll find Scheduled Mass Email. Click on that to begin crafting your newsletter masterpiece. This is where the magic happens. Now, Kvcore gives you some pre-designed templates to choose from, so browse through them and pick one that suits your brand. Consider one with sections for market updates and property listings. If you're feeling creative, you can always start from scratch. Click on your chosen template to open the email editor. Here, you can customize everything. Click on text boxes to add your market updates, property details, and any other valuable real estate content you want to share. Don't forget to replace those generic images with stunning photos of your listings or local area highlights. Personalization is key. Use the Merge Tags button to insert dynamic content like your contact's first name. This makes your newsletter feel more personal and engaging. Find that button, then select first name. Now, let's add some properties. Use Kvcore's listing search feature to find properties that match your audience's interests. Click and drag those listings directly into your newsletter. Make sure to add some enticing descriptions to each listing. Almost there. On the Recipients tab, you can choose who receives your newsletter. You can target specific groups based on their interests or send it to your entire database. Be mindful of who you are sending to. Finally, schedule your newsletter to be sent at the optimal time. Usually midweek mornings tend to work well. Review everything one last time, then hit that send email button. Boom. You've just unleashed a Kvcore newsletter. Now go forth and build your brand, nurture those leads, and conquer the real estate world.